details.
Hello, creative minds and fans of laughter. Welcome back to our artistic haven. Today, we're diving into the comical world of Mr. Bean as we draw and color the legendary character himself. Let's kick off the fun by sketching Mr. Bean's unmistakable head. Draw an oval shape in the center of your paper. This is where the antics will unfold. Extend some lines from Mr. Bean's unique hairstyle. Whether it's the disheveled look or the signature haircut, this detail adds to the character's hilarity. Now, let's capture Mr. Bean's expressive face. Two wide-open eyes, a small, dot-like nose, and that classic smirk that defines his comedic charm. This is where the laughter begins. Let's dress Mr. Bean in his iconic attire. Whether it's the suit and skinny red tie or his casual everyday wear, draw in those clothing details that make him instantly recognizable. And now, the most enjoyable part, coloring. Choose the vibrant colors that bring Mr. Bean's world to life. Don't forget to capture the essence of his humor through your color choices. And there you have it, a hilarious depiction of Mr. Bean ready to bring joy to your artistic collection. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, may your days be as amusing and lighthearted as Mr. Bean's.